Cloudy water. A weird smell. Red, itchy eyes? If your pool is plotting against you, it's probably one of these 3 chemical terrorists. Stick around, pool warriors, because I'm about to give you the keys to the chemical kingdom. We'll show you how to identify the enemy, what to do about it, and finally, a secret the pool store hates. First up, pH. This is the ultimate drama queen of your pool. When it's too low, it gets acidic and starts literally eating your equipment and stinging your eyes. Too high, it gets lazy, makes your water cloudy, and tells your chlorine bouncer to take a nap, making it 50% less effective. The sweet spot is 7.4 to 7.6. If it's out of line, you fix it. Period. But how do you keep pH stable? You need its bodyguard, alkalinity. Think of it as the buffer that stops pH from freaking out every time it rains, or your nephew does his 50th cannonball. And now for the secret the pool store hates. That tiny, expensive box of Alkalinity Increaser? It's just baking soda. Yeah, go buy the giant bag from the warehouse store. You're welcome. All right, let's talk about your bouncer chlorine. It works great until the sun shows up. The sun is chlorine's mortal enemy. It will obliterate 90% of your chlorine in a couple of hours if it's unprotected. So, what's the secret weapon? It's called Cyanuric acid, or CYA. It's literally sunscreen for your chlorine. But be warned, too much CYA, over 100 parts per million, and your chlorine gets so lazy it refuses to get off the couch. We call that chlorine lock. Now, time for a lightning round. Rooster Ray's myth-busting minute. Myth number 1. That strong chlorine smell means the pool is clean. Wrong! That's the smell of dead, used-up chlorine called chloramines. Myth number 2. My water is cloudy, so I need more chlorine. Maybe! Or, your filter is disgusting. Clean your filter first, you animal. Myth number 3. My eyes are red. You use too much chlorine. 99% of the time, it's not the chlorine, it's your pH being a drama queen again. Balance your pH, and I bet your eyes will thank you. All right, pool warriors, that's your boot camp. Chemistry isn't about being a scientist, it's about being the boss. Test smart, adjust with swagger, and keep it cannonball ready. This is Rooster Ray, signing off. Stay clear, my friends!